welcome back to Bubs Kitchen. We are very excited to start our new series called Lofi Eats. As I'm sure a lot of students know, Lofi Beats is a music streaming channel on YouTube where they just play really chill, relaxing music to study to. That being said, Lofi Eats is a series where we develop college / post-college dedicated recipes which are affordable, really flexible, and still delicious. I am making my go-to pasta that I made all the time in college. This recipe is special to me because we make our own sauce. As counterintuitive as it sounds, because we do let the sauce sit for 45 minutes to an hour. I know what y'all thinking. Like,
why would I wait 45 minutes to an hour when I could just get Prego, heat it up, and throw it on some noodles?
You don't gotta live like that. I remember when I'd make this pasta in college, I would put the sauce together, I would put it on low, and then I would go study. And then on my study break, after an hour, pasta's already ready. I know the college struggle and how hard it is to cook at home sometimes, but promise you, this recipe will make you want to make your own sauce. Before we get to the video, I just wanted to say thank you for everyone who's tuning in. If you haven't watched our Q&A already, it should be up. I'll leave it in the cards. Go ahead and watch that. Come back to this. Put some lo-fi hip-hop music in the back, and let's learn how to make my pasta.
So what are we doing here at Vaughn's?
We're grocery shopping for my go-to pasta.
Oh?
And we're going to keep track of how much everything is.
Where's that going to be? Not there?
So first we're getting block of cheese, $5.99. So the cheaper option is to get this Sargento cheese, $2.99. Now we're gonna get ground beef. This one is $3.31. Now we're getting tomato sauce. We're getting this brand, and it is $3.99. This is really heavy. You can get whatever pasta you want. I like this one. So this one is 99 cents, really cheap, or you can get 10 for 5.
Round 2 with these bags. Here, I got this.
One bowl of garlic, 59 cents.
How much is that?
99 cents. I'm gonna get some parsley. Oh, Italian parsley, sorry.
How much?
Ooh, 99 cents.
So we're back from the grocery store. We got everything we need. We have 16 ounces of pasta noodle. You can use whatever noodle you want. A pound of ground beef. You can go meatless for this. I would just double up on mushrooms or whatever veggies you feel like adding to your red sauce. 20 ounces of tomato puree. A block of Parmesan cheese. Feel free to get the cheaper option, which is the shredded cheese. Then we have half a pound of mushrooms, half a yellow onion, about 4 to 5 cloves of whole peeled garlic. If you use fresh garlic, then I suggest using about 2 to 3 cloves. We have a bunch of parsley.
Look, I'm matching the pot. I wore red because I'm making pasta.
Set the heat on high. Okay, so time to put in our meat. Then we're gonna break it apart. So we're just gonna move it around a little bit. And we want to avoid steaming the meat. So, season it. Now we're gonna throw in the mushrooms on high heat. We have most of the beef fat in here, and we're using that as kind of like cooking oil to cook the mushrooms. We're gonna let this go until the mushrooms get nice and soft. Add in our onions once our mushrooms are pretty much almost cooked through. Once we added the onions, we lowered it to medium heat. Now we're gonna add some garlic. Add the garlic when the onions are translucent, or most of them are translucent. We're gonna add back the meat.
now we're gonna add our tomato sauce. We're gonna add more dried oregano and dried basil. Obviously you could use, if you have fresh, it's better to use fresh. So I add a lot. You kind of just have to add to your tasting. This is 1.5 cups. We're just gonna add about a half a cup of cheese. We'll taste it as we go, so if I need to add more dried spices or red pepper, we didn't salt it or pepper it yet, we'll do that at the end. Oh wait, I need the mitten. Why are you wearing the mitten? Heat's on low. We added a little bit more spices, dried spices, and now we're just going to let it sit here for an hour. Leave it kind of cracked, and we will see it in an hour. Comment below if you would like to see Calvin's cooking channel. Have your own cooking channel, Bean.
Having.
So it's been more than an hour. Way more than an hour. And our sauce is thick with 2 C's. We added salt, pepper, and more of the seasoning throughout the hour. So, and then I just cooked off the pasta. So now we're going to add the rest of the cheese. Hey, no. No.
Bean.
Bean. Are you done?
Are you done?
Are you done?
You done?
Or are you done?
You done or you done yet?
Okay, so I'm gonna add some more cheese. Probably not all of it because it's a lot. Add some fresh Italian parsley.
So what's it look like now that you added the parsley? Ooh. Yeah, add your 5 noodles at a time.
Better. And it is very, very thick. 2 C's. 3 C's.
Full.
Maybe 4, I don't know. I don't make the rules. Cheers.
Cheers.
Very yummy. Very thick, very cheesy.
Explain why it's catered for college students.
So we wanted to create Lo-Fi Eats because both of us are in college or just got out of college. So we know the struggle of saving money and being motivated to cook. We really want to make these recipes as flexible as possible because we know that whatever you have at home is whatever you're going to use. So you don't always have to go out and buy groceries because we know that could be expensive. So yeah, that's why we wanted to create this series. Make sure to subscribe and hit the bell for the notifications. Thank you so much for supporting us and for everyone who watched our first video. We hope to make more of these and we will see you in the next one. Bye. And cut.
Is this okay?